There we go. Today I'll be making another one of my own cocktails. This is a cocktail I created for the menu at the bar where I work, having a winter tiki cocktail in mind, if you will. Oxymoron, you say? Well, I guess, but it turned out really great. So let's make my winter tiki cocktail. Lately, I've been trying to come up with cocktails using liqueurs as the base spirit instead of the usual suspects such as, whiskey, rum, tequila, etc. Why do I do this? Well, I like to switch things up, and I also like to challenge our customers to try something that they might not understand or appreciate when they see it on paper. But once they try it, hopefully they'll enjoy it, and I've introduced them to something new, which is one of the things that makes bartending fun. Okay, we're gonna need a few things. Green Chartreuse, which is an herbaceous liqueur made by monks in France. It is a liqueur, so it is sweet, but it's also very strong. It's 55% alcohol. It's also used in a lot of classic cocktails, so you should have that in your home bar. We're gonna use a sweet vermouth. I'm using Coca di Torino, but use whatever sweet vermouth you have or you like. A ginger syrup, and let me show you how I make that. You're also going to need an Orgeat that I made myself, and I'll leave the recipe down below so you can make that. It's actually really easy. Fresh lemon juice, and for garnish we're going to use angostura bitters, mint, and some candied ginger. This cocktail is going to be served in a highball glass with pebble ice, so I'm just going to build the cocktail straight into it and give it a good stir. Alright, so I'm going to pour a little bit of my cocktail into a martini glass. This is so that I can participate in something called the Christmas Martini 2021 Challenge. This is a fun challenge that Dave from Booze on the Rocks, Rob from Rob's Home Bar, and Vino from 60 Second Cocktail put together every year just to see what the cocktail community comes up with. So head over to their channels and see what they do. But also, if you want to see more fun holiday-related cocktails, check out the hashtag Christmas Martini 2021. You'll find a bunch of them. I'm going to start with a 1/4 ounce of my ginger syrup. 1/2 ounce of Orgeat, 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, 3/4 ounce of green Chartreuse, and 3/4 ounce of your sweet vermouth. So this is what the cocktail looks like if you order it at my job, which is the Times Cocktail Bar in Asheville. And this is my submission for the Christmas Martini 2021. Same cocktail, I just didn't do the bitters on this one. Okay, this is so hard for me to explain what it tastes like, but all you need to know is that it's really tasty, it's very easy drinking, it's just the perfect little, like I said, a winter tiki-ish kind of cocktail. So you need to give it a try, you won't regret it. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Happy holidays, everyone. Very easy drinking. God damn it. So I'm just gonna stir up. I'm just gonna read a book. Well, oh fuck. Getting old. Ding-a-ling-a-ling, ding-ding-a-ling-a-ding, ding-dong.